So hello, you are welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to add multiple effects on your video on CapCut. So how to place your effect in a multiple section on your video on CapCut. So I'm just going to go over to my CapCut. So once you enter your CapCut, this is what it's going to show to you. I'll go over to my edit. All right, so I'll click on new video. That's if you want to. So you can see I just have only a few video on my phone. So I'll just click on this particular one. All right, and here's a video. Okay, now in order for you to work on CapCut, you have to click on the video itself. You click on it, so you can see that the video is highlighted now. So you come over to, you click on it. I need to go to effect. All right, so I'll come to effect. So we have video effect. Come to video effect. Now here, these are the things that we're going to do. Okay, now before we apply any effect here, let me go to the beginning, because first of all, I want to apply effect on the beginning of this video. All right, so I'll go to effect. I'll go to effect and click on this effect mashup. So I'll just click on it. It will apply. So we can see from the beginning, this is how it's going to start. Now this video now is just from here to here. You can see, and it's just how many minutes? About 3 seconds video. I can decide to drag it to extend it, so it's going to be from this beginning. Okay, now if you want to add another, so I'll just come here and go back to effect and add this particular one. All right, you can see both of them are here. So let me play this from the beginning so you see it. So I'm going to go ahead and extend that. So I can move it away, shift it away from here. Then I'll go back to my video effects. So I'll add this explosion to it. Okay, let me go ahead and play that from here. Okay, so this is how you add multiple effects to your CapCut. Now imagine if you are designing on your CapCut, you will see this banner. So you just come over to your delete and click on the delete to automatically remove the banner that comes with the CapCut. All right, now if I want this effect to be together, I will just come here and drag it. You can see it will merge with this one. I will come here, click on this, and also drag it, or drag this one. I'll just drag it here. Okay. Alright, so I'll reduce it. So now with this few space here, we don't want to give any space. I'm just going to add one more effect here. Come here and look for a better effect. So this lightning crack. So you just wait for it to load, for the effect to load. Okay. Alright, let me just make use of another one. Alright, so let me play the video from the beginning. You see the effect throughout. So we apply different kind of effect on this particular video. So you can see, so this is how you apply multiple effects to your video. So you just look for that particular environment or that area where you want to add effects. You just go ahead and add effect to your video. So that is how you add your multiple effects to just your particular video. All right, so you find this video very helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. So I will see you in my next class.